Spruce up the kitchen, install kitchen countertop tiles. The kitchen is the hub of family gatherings. This is a typical scene. The man of the house is unwinding after a whole day's work with a bottle of beer. The mom is at the cooking range checking on the pot roast while supervising the kid on the kitchen table with his homework. Well, it's the whole family in the kitchen. Really, the kitchen is more than just the place where the family's meals are cooked. These days, the kitchen is also the venue for socializing. How many times would you let your friends go directly to the kitchen so that you can talk while you are baking or cooking? This gives rise to the need for kitchen renovations. Walls are taken down to create more space and also to allow the cook to join in family conversations. Cabinets are repainted, walls are made attractive with a fresh coat of paint, and the Formica countertop is replaced with attractively designed kitchen countertop tiles.